Today, I'm taking on the challenge of getting my video listed at the top of YouTube search results, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. In this video, you'll learn about the essential strategies to optimize your videos so they rank higher in YouTube search, increasing your visibility, views, and subscribers. Many creators struggle to get their videos seen, often feeling discouraged by low views and engagement, despite putting in significant effort. I know how frustrated creators can be because they spend hours creating high-quality content, but it gets low views. This is often because they are not using the power of YouTube SEO. I'll show you exactly how to rank your video first and get more views and subscribers. Step 1. Finding keywords for your title. Finding the perfect keyword for your title is crucial. I personally use the free version of vidIQ and YouTube to find keywords related to my content. To rank your videos first on YouTube, they should have a higher search volume, lower competition, and a unique title. These factors help smaller channels easily rank their videos first. Open vidIQ and click on the keyword section. Type your keywords related to your content. For example, my keyword is content creation. It has a higher search volume and lower competition, so I can easily rank this video first. vidIQ also shows related keywords and matching terms for your content. The second method is YouTube search, which is the most powerful tool. Here, you can search your keyword and see the related topics that users are searching for on YouTube. Step 2. The power of thumbnails. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Your thumbnails determine whether viewers will click on or ignore your video. Create thumbnails that trigger the emotions of your audience, like excitement or shock, and keep them simple. Use close-ups, bold colors, and big text. I suggest using bright colors like red, yellow, and white for the text, as they make viewers feel like they can't miss what's inside. When they click, your click-through rate (CTR) will increase, which helps your videos rank higher. Step 3. Description and tags. When writing the description, make sure to include keywords related to your content. Your description tells your viewers and the algorithm exactly what your video is about, which helps the algorithm promote your videos to the right audience. Tags in 2024 are secondary, so add a few tags related to your content. Your main focus should be on the title, description, and thumbnails. Bonus tips. vidIQ can also help you write scripts for your videos, and it's completely free right now. Open vidIQ, go to the AI generator page, and enter your topic. vidIQ will generate a title, description, tags, thumbnail, and script. Don't use it as is. Try to understand it and create your own script. Now you know how to follow the steps to rank your video first. Before you go, if you found these tips helpful, smash the subscribe button and hit like. Share your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.